Hi everyone, today I'm back to share this colouring book with you guys. I've started adding a few different videos to this channel. I'm going to do some colouring videos and I'm going to try and incorporate like other hobbies that I have into my YouTube channel. So if this is not something that you're into, please by all means, you don't have to watch this video. But colouring is one of my other hobbies. I love to, it's kind of like a hobby that you can kind of do and just sort of decompress from the day. Yeah, I find it relaxing. So I'm just going to do a quick flick through because some people asked when I shared this in a haul to see the inside the pages. Yeah, I've never seen this before. It's got images from the park, so I'm just going to add some music to it and do a quick flick through the pages. So yeah, if you like that sort of thing, carry on watching.